Hey everyone, this is Javad, and my last name is Shairi Garetape. Pretty much normal last name in North Texas, if you want to say. I'm here at InfoComm 2026 with Azar Pixel, my favorite company ever. So everyone knows Azar Pixel started from a garage, my garage. I rented them for $100 and I started repairing LED modules in 2018. And we expanded ourselves right now in DFW area, in Texas area, at 22,000 square feet warehouse. We also have a branch here in Las Vegas, about 10,000-ish square feet. And combine these two locations together, we can repair up to 6,000 modules right now. So we are repairing 6,000 modules in past 6 months here in the United States, covering up more than 1,000 customers, at least in past 6 months. So everyone knows we are repairing audiovisual equipment, indoor, outdoor, GOB, also COB with MIP pixels on them. But one thing no one might not know that, it's we are installing your video wall. So if you have a video wall, your integration company, your distributor, you sold something to someone as far as video wall, you can't install them, you don't have time, you don't have that, I don't know the word, right? But if you can install them, we're here to help you. We have a fixed rate for any installation throughout any state in the United States, so just give us a call and you can find us at www.azarpixel.com. Thank you so much.